VOOK, the ultimate long-range E-Trike. Designed with your safety and comfort in mind, VOOK is made of aluminum alloy frame and ergonomic seat. It is empowered by brushless hub motors and equipped with LED headlight and taillights, ensuring a safe journey, day or night. Experience the ultimate convenience with VOOK as you insert your phone in the specially designed phone holder and track the speed, navigate with built-in GPS, and choose your speed mode through VOOK's application. Unlock your VOOK with the fingerprint system. Stay informed of your battery level at all times and maximize your ride range with VOOK's regeneration system. No boundaries and no limitations with VOOK's powerful and portable battery that propels you up to 110 miles, leading you to new adventures where the city becomes your playground. With the simple push of a button, its reverse system allows you to navigate effortlessly in tight spaces. With VOOK, you not only experience a gateway to relaxation and tranquility on the open road, but its hydraulic brake system also guarantees effortless and secure stops. VOOK's spacious trunk securely stores your essentials, whether it's a laptop or daily necessities. Additionally, with its impressive 120-watt output, VOOK keeps you connected and powered up, allowing you to charge your gadgets and enjoy a worry-free ride. Conquer the peaks of the mountains. Feel the power of motion. Unveil new horizons. And master every challenge.